हा आन्सर मिळाला ते नाही नाही चढवणारच नाही आज घ्यायच्या आधीच क्वेश्चन देतो नाही तर उद्या परत ट्राय करेल जोपर्यंत आन्सर येत नाही तोपर्यंत ट्राय कर.
Good evening, sir.
गुड इव्हनिंग. लेफ्ट कुठलं राईट कुठलं असं काही नाही लेफ्ट राईट असं काही नाही मॅडम. मी काय तो माहिती ते वापरतो. ते करतो ना म्हणजे इथे कळतं मला. Okay, good. Can you hear me online?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we are still waiting for a couple of minutes. Maybe somebody else will join us. In the meanwhile, what can we do?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but before we start today's lecture, just want to say firstly, thank you for joining this workshop. It was an experiment for me also. मी असा वर्कशॉप कधीच घेतला नव्हता. So I learned a lot of things. I hope you also learned a lot of things. And I need your help to, improve this workshop. Some things you may understand very well or you like a lot. So I would like to hear about that. Some things maybe you did not like that much or you find it difficult to understand. I want to know that also. So I want your feedback. Okay. So for that, I will send you a Google form later today or tomorrow for you as well as your parents. Okay. So please fill that up and submit that. Okay. So I'll get a lot of information. Huh? Pythagoras was difficult. Okay, no problem. But see, the important thing I want to mention is that some of these things you are hearing for the first time. Remember, you are going to hear all of this once more, okay? Because all of this is part of your school syllabus today or tomorrow. So when you learn then, it will be like revision for you. Okay, you will remember then, oh, we had done something like this before. So it will help you the second time, okay? The goal is not की सगळ्यांना सगळं 100% कळेलच. But it is just to motivate की असा विचार करता येतो. असा विचार करायचा ट्राय कधी केला नसेल. Okay, you never try to think like this. So this is the first chance you are getting to think in a different way. And it takes time. असं एक दिवसात नाही होत ना. It takes time to develop a new habit. So like that, it will take time to develop this habit. Right now, we have spent 10 hours from in this week. So like that, more time you spend at home, better and better you will become. Okay. And if I announce any more workshop like this, if I take this for the whole year, then we can have more time to spend. Correct. So there I will go even more slowly. Okay. Atta कसं I have to give you 5 मिनिटं देऊ शकतो, 10 मिनिटं देऊ शकतो, but then I have to move on to the next topic. But if it is a whole year course, then we can spend more time. Okay. So चला हा ठीक आहे. नाही मी आज फक्त मी दाखवणार what you're supposed to do and then you can do it at home and on Monday you will bring your laptop. चालेल ना, no problem.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Atharv.
I don't know how to prove the 60-degree. I know is it something to do with the a minus b whole square because it looks like.
No. Do you know? Yes. Online current. Yes.
The a minus b whole square.
No. See, 60 degrees. 60 degree and 90 degree. Do you know anything special about 30, 60, 90 triangle?
30, 60, 90 triangle. Is that just a right angle triangle? No, that's not.
Yes, but it is not any right angle triangle, right? A right angle triangle can have any two angles for the other two angles. But
Yes.
here I'm giving you one
Acute
special.
angles.
Okay. This is a special triangle whose one angle is 30 degrees, one angle is 60 degree, and one angle is 90 degrees. So, do you know anything about such a triangle? If not, then first question is that find out what is so special about this 30, 60, 90 triangle. And then second question is that what we did.
60
Why is that
Pythagoras
triangle so
theorem.
special in our question? Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so let us start. You know, this has been a very hectic week, maybe. We did a lot of maths. We had a lot of fun also, but we also had to study. थोडा अभ्यास करायला लागला ना. So let us relax today. आज आपण इथं मजा करूया. Okay, today we'll do magic tricks. You want to do magic tricks?
Excuse me, sir. The card trick where you have to like do the cards. You know, like
Card trick is there,
A,
but I'll show
card
you
B,
two
like-
more tricks.
Yes, I might have already known how that works. I just look at and look at and eliminate.
That's the card trick. Okay. Okay. But see, my magic tricks always have some थोडा mathematics असणार ना. कारण I'm not a
The
professional
carom
mathematician. Okay.
Excuse me,
So-
sir. The carom board. How are you supposed to do the carom board?
How are you supposed? Did you see the last 5 minutes where I showed you how to do one bounce reflection?
One bounce. No, I don't remember. Like the other students were doing it.
No, but I was
Also,
showing
the
something.
mirror part.
Yes, mirror part. Carom, na? Haan. Okay. Okay. First card trick. Okay. So firstly, I want to ask how many of you understood how that card trick works? Aditya. फक्त आरव. आरव, तुला कळली का कार्ड ट्रिक? नाही आला का
Actually,
बरं?
sir, I
But-
also know the card trick.
You also know, Athar also knows the card trick. Anybody else online who understood the card trick? How it works?
Excuse me, sir. I just know like just a way. I don't know whether it's any connection to any number system which helps it to become faster. I just look at it and I make the decision whether this is right or this is wrong.
Okay, see, if you try to think about it, can you create a new magic trick in the same way? If you can create your own magic trick, then you have really understood it. Okay, so think if you can create your own magic trick. But for those who have not understood it, let us do the magic once more. Let us see if you can understand it now. And this time I will do it a bit more systematically. Okay, I will write the ABCD cards in particular order. Neat laksha द्या. So card A, and Aditya तुला कळले ना trick? Okay, so we have already one magician in the audience.
Why are you having like things? Why are you tapping like things? Because I don't actually.
Okay, so let us write the numbers of card A.
Yeah. Because they're coming back before.
नाही नाही ते कार्ड जाऊ दे मी नवीन कार्ड बनवणार आहे नवीन कार्ड हा तोच आहे थोडा ऑर्डर बदलणार फक्त इट इज द सेम कार्ड्स बट इट्स स्लाइटली डिफरंट ऑर्डर सो
I can see a little bit of a pattern. 4, 5, 1, 2, 1, 3, 5, 7. First is all the odd numbers. Card C is 4 to 7 and 12 to 15. Card D is all the numbers from 8 to 15. Card B is an interesting one. 2
Yes.
and then 3 and then 3 plus 3, it is 6 and then 7 and then 7 plus 3 and then 10 plus 1 and then 11 plus 3. So they skip counting by 3s and 1s every time.
Okay, but my question is, Athar, suppose I erase the
I
board.
think I understood the trick.
Can you create your own cards without looking at my board? Then you understood the pattern completely.
Okay, so I think I understood it that when you ask for a number and you tell which card in it, there are only few numbers and in both of these cards at the same time. Then you just check which
But it will take me
which
so much
numbers is it.
time. Yes, Kavin, your idea is correct, but for me, I will have to remember so much. No, every time you give an answer, suppose you say your numbers in card A, C, and D. So I will have to check all the numbers one by one and find out which is that number. त्याला खूप वेळ लागेल ना. So is there some faster way to do that? So
Sir,
Aditya,
the number is not 9. Sir, is the number 15? No, it's not 15.
It's
but
Sir,
one,
it's not 11.
one by one doing that is like it takes so much time, Athar. So let us do the magic trick now. Suppose I am the audience.
Actually, sir, now the pattern, I got the idea now.
Okay, wait. Let us give everybody time to think. Okay.
Right,
आता मी audience है and Aditya is the magician. Okay, so I'm going to say I have picked a number in my mind and it is there in card A, C, and D. So which is okay. It is there in A, C, and D, and it is not in B. This pencil, right? 9. A, C, and D, and not B. 13. Okay, my number is 13. Check kara, is 13 in A, C, and D, and it is not in B. कसं कळलं याला?
excuse me, sir. If it's
Yes.
an A, then it is an odd number, so that eliminates all the even numbers. If it is
Okay.
not in B, then it's not 0, 1, or 2. It would still be 0, 1, or 2 above a multiple.
Yes.
If it's not in card C, then
Huh.
that means it's not between 4 to 7, or it's not between 12 to 15. So he
Yes, but
did
your
something
idea
like
is
this.
correct, but there are so
can't
many
be.
if else. If this happens, then do this. If that happens, do that. And
So,
we are doing that
so if you're
idea
saying-
mentally in 3 seconds.
So
So
if
you
you
mean we
say-
can
do it in card A, C, and D, then you know that your number is an odd number. It's either between 4 and 7 or between 12 and 15. And it's between 8 and 15. So it's an odd number. Between 12 and
what I'm asking
15,
you, author, is how can you do all of this thinking in 3 seconds?
I can.
You can. So will you do the magic trick now? If I give you a number.
Okay.
Okay. So somebody in the audience has picked a number, and now you ask, is that number in card A? No. Card B, C, D. Okay. So she's saying it is there in card C and D, not in A and B. Your time starts now. 2, 3. Time on.
It's not odd, so it's not odd. Which
No,
it's
don't
not
do
in
all
card
the
A,
things
which
in
means
your
it's not
mind.
odd.
Just tell us the final answer. सगळा विचार मनात कर and direct final answer सांग within 3 seconds. Extra number कुठला आहे? 12. Correct. 12. आदित्यला व्यवस्थित कळली trick. Okay, so now we have actually studied this, but we don't know that we studied it.
We don't
12.
know that we studied it. We didn't study this.
We studied this. तेच तर म्हणतोय. Did you pay attention or did you not pay attention? That is the question. So do you remember binary numbers? Binary number आठवतंय?
I knew
Let us-
it was going to be something relating to binary numbers. Because we learned it that day, but I don't know how it is meant to be binary
Okay,
numbers.
so let us find out. Okay. So do you
Wait.
remember?
Convert all the numbers to binary, okay?
Yes, let us write the numbers 1 to 15 and write them in decimal and binary. जे आपण त्या दिवशी केलं होतं ना. So let's do it one more time. Okay, so in decimal system we have units place and tens place. So 1, 2, 3. How can I move this? Right, I forgot this was supposed to be units place. Okay, so these are all the numbers in decimal system. Now let us write them one by one in the binary system. Okay, so here I'll write binary. This was decimal. And in binary system, what are the columns? Instead of units, tens,
1,
hundreds.
2, 4, 6,
1, 2, 4, 8, and
12.
16.
1 to 4.
1, 2, 4, 8. We don't need 16. We're going up to 15.
Yes.
Don't need 16.
Okay. काय करताय हे लाईन का ते पेस्ट केलं ना की त्याला मूव नाही करतायत मला कळत नाही म्हणजे एक जाऊ दे मी आता हे काढतो पण नंतर दाखव मला ओके
So,
एक नंबर बघा so one how will you write one in binary so which digit do you require for binary
1,
So
0, 0, 0.
बाकी
1,
सगळीकडे
0, 0, 0.
1 0 0 0 what about 2
0, 1, 0, 0.
0, 1, 0, 0.
1, 1, 0, 0.
1, 1, 0, 0.
नंबर हा पॉवर
0.
ना जे जी पॉवर वापरली तिथे 1 द्यायचा सो आता 3 इज वॉट 1 प्लस 2 प्लस 1 सो 2 आणि 1 च्या कॉलम मध्ये 1 द्यायचा आणि बाकी सगळे 0 नो प्रॉब्लेम पॉवर ऑफ 2 ना 1 2 4
0, 0, 1, 0.
हा हा
0, 1, 0, 1.
कसं की आपण प्लेस व्हॅल्यूला कसं करतो म्हणजे टेक अ नॉर्मल नंबर लाईक 421 किंवा 437 so that is 400
437.
3 plus 7 so in the hundreds column we write 4 tens column we write 2 and units column we write 1 no, 3 and 7 in the same way if you have a number like let's say 11 आता 11 is what 8 plus 4 8 plus 2 plus 1 म्हणजेच 2 raised to 3 2 raised to 1 आणि 2 raised to 0 so त्या कॉलम मध्ये 1 1 1 द्यायचा
And then the rest of the column is 0.
हा जे जे वापरले तिथे 1 द्यायचा सो आता 11 चा आन्सर काय येईल 1 0 1 काय काय
कंट्रोल करते जाऊ
हो चालेल. हो सो 4 कॅन बी रिटर्न ॲज सिम्पली 1 आणि बाकी सगळं 0
Then 1, 0, 1, 0.
कळलं का सगळ्यांना हाऊ वी आर रायटिंग दिस
Yes, sir. 0,
तुझ्या
1.
ऑलरेडी नोटबुकला आहेत की लाईन अजून कशाला लाईन वर्कर तुमचं काय म्हणणं नाही
1, 0, 0.
आधी विचार केला पाहिजे होता आता काय करायचं आता पुढच्या आपल्या टेबल परत कॉपी कर आणि तो त्याला स्केल कशाला हवे हाताने नाही काढू शकत का मग प्रॅक्टिस करा
1, 1, 0, 1. Or 1, 0, 1, 1. Then 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. Ending with 4 1s.
मेक असंच जर का आपण 31 पर्यंत गेलो त्याचं तुला बनवता येईल का कार्ड 5 कार्ड 1 to 31 चे 5 कार्ड बनव कळली बघ जमतंय का okay so we wrote all of these numbers why did we write these numbers And then now let's look at the cards. Okay, I will keep this to one side, and on this side I will draw my cards one more time. And baka, do you see any connection between this table and those cards? Okay, so again these are my cards. So card A was
1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 13, 11, 13, and 15. Card B was just card B. Card B was 2, 3, 6, 7, 10, 11, 14, 15.
wait, Athar, wait. Let somebody is talking. असू शकतं ना. Let us write all the cards and then you see की pattern आहे का नाही.
Card C.
What will be card C? Can somebody tell me?
4, 5, 6, 7, 4, 5, 6, 7, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Really?
Yes, 12.
Is it? Okay. What is column D? Column D some.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 8,
No,
9,
no.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
अरे मी बोर्डावर म्हणतोय कॉलम डी काय आहे. तो नोटबुक मध्ये बघायला लागला.
And then
Okay, now what we'll do, we'll play the magic 2 more times and need laksha de. Okay, anybody who's not understood the trick, who wants to be volunteer and who wants to be magician? Magician. Okay. Adi
Sir,
Devika and Mathura. Okay, so Devika is the audience and Shamika is the magician. So come. Hey, tu was ticket. So and I'm not there in the class, so you have to ask the questions. Hey,
excuse me, sir. Can I
number.
try?
तसंही होऊ शकतं. हो खूप टाइम घेतला. आमचे ऑडियन्स झोपून गेले. नाही मग अंशुमन तुला कळले का ट्रिक? नाही तुला तर कळले, तुला नाही विचार.
Excuse me, sir. Now I know the trick. I just looked.
You got the trick now? So those who got the trick, your challenge is, can you design a larger magic trick now with the same idea? Okay, so that is okay. So we
Yes,
have one
sir.
more magician who is a volunteer, Siddharth.
Excuse
Okay,
me, sir.
Siddharth.
Can I?
Yes, Arthur. I will give you the next chance. Okay. So first, Siddharth is the audience. Anshuman is the magician. So which are? Tick tick 1, tick tick 2, tick tick 3. Fine. Okay. So somebody, Arthur, you want to try? So you want to be magician?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So audience has said that the number is in card A, B, and D.
A, B, and D.
Your time starts now. Tick tick 1, tick tick 2. Too fast बोलना.
Is
5
the
seconds.
number 13? I didn't even have to. Is it 13?
No,
Is it
It's
11?
11.
I was looking at C, not D.
म्हणजे नाही कळलं.
I thought you said A, C, and D. As I
I
was
said-
looking at C. If it was A, C, and D, the answer would have been 13. I thought you said, excuse me, sir. I thought you
I
said
said
A,
A.
C.
I said A, B, and D. You
I
should
thought you
listen.
said A, C, and D. So that's why I
Okay.
said 13.
Okay, but you still took a lot of time, so you have to be even faster, right?
Yes. So,
Okay.
So can I try?
so if the number is in card 1, the number will end with 1. But if it's not, it will not end with
Wait, so Rutvij, you want to try?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I will pick a number and you ask me the questions. Okay, I
Yes.
picked my number. Ask me now.
Is it an A?
No, it is not in A.
Is it in B?
Yes, it is in B.
Is it in C?
No, it is not in C.
Is it in D?
Yes, it is in D.
It's 10.
10, correct. So ऋत्विज also understood the idea. तुला कळलं बहुतेक ट्राय करायचं ओके सो यू आर सिद्धार्थ यू वांट टू बी मॅजिशियन ओके मी आय एम द ऑडियन्स ओके सो I picked a number. Ask me. No. Yes. Yes. No. Some. Yes. Correct. Correct. You want to be magician?
Sir, can I try?
Devika. Yes. Who else has figured it out? दिव्यांग कळलं का
हो सर ट्राय करू.
ओके सांग आधी आपण तुला ऑडियन्स बनवूया ओके दिव्यम यू आर द ऑडियन्स ओके सो यू पिक अ नंबर
I picked this up.
ओके सो नाउ इज इट इन कार्ड ए
Yes sir.
yes it is in card A then card B
Yes sir.
card B card C also
Yes sir.
okay card D
No sir.
no how many cards you have you'll pass card lucky
Sir, I know the answer.
7 is 7
7.
Divyam is your answer 7
Yes sir.
yes
Excuse me, sir. I was able to figure that out without doing the binary.
without doing the binary correct
Yes, I just looked. Oh, it's a 7, 7, 7. So it's 7, and the other one does not have 7.
okay but what I'm going to show you now is how to do this for any किती पण मोठा नंबर घेतला तरी पण कसं करायचं हा हो पण बायनरी डोक्यात तसं पटकन नाही होत ना
Excuse me, sir. I know like the different characteristics of all the binary numbers.
okay
All the numbers in the cards.
okay but so what will that give us
So the first card is all the numbers which end with a 1 in binary. If it does not end with if it's not in card A, which means the number does not end in 1. In other words, it is even. It's in card B, then I'm just checking a thing I have written here. Wait, no.
नाही कळली मग घरी जाऊन प्रॅक्टिस कर अजून
It's something. I also was doing a Python program in ITLE.
so can you write a Python program to do this magic trick let's do binary magic with programming now
Can I use in? Excuse me, sir. Can I use in? IN. Because I think using IN is a little bit cheating. Because they're just saying, oh, is it in this A? Is it in this B?
Okay, I've written the program to do this binary trick automatically. प्रोग्रामला पण कळतं तुम्हाला कळतंय का बघूया ओके आणि आता तर अजून मोठा मॅजिक ट्रिक आहे ओके सो नाव समबडी इन ऑडियन्स यू वॉन्ट टू बी ऑडियन्स ओके सो पिक अ नंबर फ्रॉम 1 to 31 1 to
Is it in card?
नाही मला ठेव ना ओके सो
31?
इज इट देअर इन फर्स्ट कार्ड हे लाईन मध्ये कार्ड असते ना ही ब्रॅकेट दिसते त्यातले सगळे नंबर हे आपल्या पहिल्या कार्डवर दिलेले आहेत त्याच्यामध्ये तुझा नंबर आहे का नाही सो इज द नंबर इज युअर नंबर इन दिस कार्ड नो सो वी शुड राईट नो ओके सो नो इज इट इन दिस कार्ड No?
Yes.
No?
Yes.
Yes?
Not showing anything.
Oh, I think I It's a mistake in my program. Let's see. So let us do programming. I forgot to write the final answer. Okay. Sorry. So actually, you have to do the trick again because I made a mistake. So pick a number again. Okay.
Excuse me, sir. I'm also trying something in Python.
Okay.
No.
First card, no. Okay. Second card. Third card. Fourth card. Fifth card. Let us see. Is it correct? Yes. So you see, computer knows your trick. Anybody else wants to try?
Sir, can I?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. So. Oh. नाही पण माझं नाव प्रशांत आहे ना म्हणून मी पी.
So can I try?
हा पिक एनी नंबर फ्रॉम 1 to 31. केला पिक?
Done.
या पहिल्या लिस्ट मध्ये आहे का बघ. नो.
Yes. Yes. Yes, sir.
No, no. I'm actually doing it for somebody else.
Okay, okay.
But I will send you a link to this so you can do it at home also. नाही तू 1 आणि 31 मधला चूक केला नक्की. ओके. या लिस्ट मध्ये तरी आहे का? आहे याच्यात आहे. Yes. It can read, the computer can read your mind. देविका तुला कळले का ट्रिक? मग उलट करूया. ओके. हा तू सांग बिफोर द हा ह्याच्यामधली ट्रिक. हा नाही पण ते सेमच तर आहे त्याच दाखवायचंय. नाही इथे पण कळली पाहिजे ट्रिक. ओके शुड आय टेल यू द ट्रिक? दुसऱ्याची म्हणजे काय असतं? हे कार्ड याला कार्ड 0 म्हटलं म्हणजे कार्ड 1 झालं ना. सेमच तर आहे. तेच तर आहे हे. ओके देविका पिक अ नंबर फ्रॉम 1 to 31. केला पिक? आहे का फर्स्ट कार्ड मध्ये? नो. ओके ओके. नो. Okay, so how does this work? Why does this work?
Excuse me, sir. I'm making
Yes.
a program for the 15 one. It just prints out all the binary values, so you can see how it works.
But if you write the full program where you can ask the user yes, no, and the user will tell yes, no, and you will finally tell the user the answer. Can you write the full program now?
Maybe.
Maybe. So try it, okay? 31 चा? तो करता येईल ट्रिक? ओके मग मी नंबर धरलाय. Ask me.
Card
Yes.
card B,
Yes.
card C,
No.
and card D.
Yes. कळाली तुला ट्रिक? ओके सो मी धरला एक नंबर मनात. विचार. Yes. 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 No. नाही. तू का 7 सांगितलं? नाही येस 7 करेक्ट, माझं चुकलं.
Excuse me, sir.
Ah.
That,
विचार. Yes.
excuse me, sir. I have a program here which I just did, which prints out so you can see the logic
Fine.
behind.
Fine. 10 or 5. Okay. Okay, so what is the trick? Do you see these 1, 3, 5, 7? All of these are the no, not only they are odd numbers, they are all the numbers who have 1 in the last place. Look at this column.
Yes, sir. I'm making a program which shows that only. So yes, the other list object cannot be. Oh, sorry. I used the wrong variable. So here, here
In this column, which all numbers have 1? Or क्या मैं नंबर सांग ना कुठले? नाही हे. They are all the numbers in card A. Look at the second column.
the second column, the numbers start with 1. All the values start with 1.
Okay. 31 चं. पण मॅजिक ट्रिक करता येईल का? मी मगाशी काय पिकलो होतं A, B आणि D.
A, B, and E. A, B, and E.
So second column, the column of 2, जिथे 1 आहे, you see all those numbers are in column B here. Look at this 2, 3, 6, 7. 2, 3, 6, 7. त्यांना सगळ्यांना 1, 1 आहे इकडे.
Starts with all 1.
Okay, all the numbers which have 1 in this second column are in my card B. Not about card C. Okay, मी तुझ्या ट्रिक कडे येतो. पण हे मी टेबल बनवायचं कसं आधी कळलं पाहिजे ना. So
Okay.
column
Excuse me,
C has
sir.
all the numbers which have
Excuse me, sir. I'm doing something. So okay, I did it. So excuse me, sir. Oh, I'm getting some errors. Excuse me, sir. So for the card 1,
yes.
continue running. So for card 1, or the
Yes.
last digit of all the binary numbers is 1. For card 2, the first digit of all the binary numbers is 1. For
Yes.
card C, card
Yes.
3, I'll say. For card 0, 1. So for card 3, all the binary, it starts with 1.
Yes.
It starts with 1, but it's like the previous one, but there is a 0 in the middle. Like,
लॅपटॉप खराब नका करू.
so it's 1, so it's 1, 0, 0 to
Yes.
1, 1, 1, and 1, 1, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1, 1. A
Yes.
number ending in 0, 0 to a number ending in 1, 1. So
Yes.
that's the second one, or that's the third one, and the fourth one is just 8 to 15. Just 8 to 15.
Okay, but nobody understood what you said, Atharv. I understood because I know the trick. But those who don't know, how will they understand? Okay, so let me explain again. Okay.
Yes, but I also don't get the card C. What is the pattern? Like it ends like 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1.
Okay, so the pattern is like this. Look at the column 4, which are all the numbers which have 1 in the column 4.
All the
5,
numbers.
4, 5, 6, 7. See, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Also, they all have 1 in the column 4. I didn't see that. They all have 1 in the column 4.
12, 13, 14, 15. They
I
are
got
all
it earlier, but now I didn't get it. Now I got it again. So yes, they all have 1 in the column 4. And then for the D1 is just 8 to 15, 1, 0, 0, 0 to the D1. Excuse me, sir. The D1 is just the numbers from 8 to 15, from
Sir.
1, 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1, 1.
Okay, so मी एक नंबर धरला. विचार मला. No. Yes. No. Yes. B and D. Hmm. Correct.
त्याचा छोट्या नंबरला जमते 1 to 31
Ah.
आणि मी नंबर
Okay. Okay, fine. I've given you a lot of time. Now let me show you the answer. Sang काय?
मी नंबर 3 धरला
हम्म.
तर आता मी इथे पुढे
हम्म.
0 0
हा.
तिथं म्हणजे तर 1
हो पण मी हा टेबल तुझ्या समोर नसेल तर काय करते तरी जमेल का? मी माझ्यासमोर टेबल काढून बसलोय का? नाही मी पाठ नाही केलं. काय तर सो सम पीपल आर सेइंग आय बाय हार्टेड द बायनरी टेबल दॅट इज वाय आय कॅन डू द ट्रिक. अजिबात नाही. आय कॅन डू दिस विदाउट बाय हार्टिंग द बायनरी टेबल. लेट मी डू इट फॉर रिअली बिग नंबर. यू हॅव टू डू इट फॉर रिअली बिग नंबर वेर इट इज इम्पॉसिबल टू लर्न बाय हार्ट. तरी पण मी करून दाखवते. चालेल? Let me increase the number. And you know one very interesting thing in my program. If I
Wait,
just
excuse me, sir. I just got it. That the first card A are all the numbers which have 1 in the ones place. The card B are all the numbers which in binary have 1 in the twos place. The card C are all the numbers which
But
in
Athar, my
binary have
question
1
to
in
you,
the three
Athar,
fours
my
place.
question to you is, can you do all of this in 3 seconds in your mind?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, then you try this at home with your parents and see if you can really do this in 3 seconds.
Yes, but I had a moment of relief.
27, okay?
Sir, could you share the screen?
Oh, sorry, you are not able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Now let me do the trick. See, some people have a doubt that I have memorized everything. I will prove that I have not memorized anything. Let us do the trick. नाही थांबा पण माझी ट्रिक करूया. ओके पिक अ नंबर. सगळ्यात पहिले आणि हात वर केला. ओके तुला चान्स देतो. विल कम टू एव्हरीबडी. वी हॅव लॉट ऑफ नंबर 1 to 127 भरपूर नंबर आहे. अजून वाढू मला थोडंसं रेहम करा माझ्यावर. ओके सो घेतला सांग. इज इट देअर इन द फर्स्ट कार्ड? इट इज देअर. ओके सो नाव कॉम्प्युटर अँड आय विल बोथ डू द ट्रिक टुगेदर. ओके अँड बघूया इफ आय कॅन गेस द आन्सर. इज इट नाही मग मी लास्ट एंटर दाबायच्या आधी माझं उत्तर सांगेल.
You
Is it-
increase the n value. I can see it is 7. Now it goes all the way up to 127. That's big.
Is it there in this card? Yes. Okay. मोठा नंबर चूज केला ना तो.
Wait, are there going to be 7 cards now? Just realize there are going to be 7 cards.
No.
There are going to be 7 cards.
Okay. No. कुठला नंबर चूज केला तू? नीट बघतोय ना सगळे नंबर आहे. सेव्हन्टी वन तुला कळली का ट्रिक? नाही. ओके नाउ लेट मी टेल यू द ट्रिक. ओके हा ह्याची कुठली किती पण नंबर घ्या. सेम ट्रिक वर्क्स फॉर ऑल नंबर्स विदाउट लर्निंग द बायनरी टेबल्स बाय हार्ट. करायची का ट्रिक? Okay, this is the trick now, and your homework is find out why this trick works. Okay, so we need one more audience. Devika, okay, Devika, you pick a number, and now I will tell you what I'm doing in my mind. Okay, so Devika, is your number in the first card? Pick a number from 1 to 127. भरपूर मोठा नंबर घे. घेतला? Is it there in the first card? No. So she said no. So I will do nothing. अशी कुठली मॅजिक ट्रिक दॅट यू डोंट नथिंग? ठीक आहे, कारण ती नो म्हणाली. ऑड नंबर नाहीये, पण मी एवढा डिटेल विचार नाही करत. मी जस्ट काय म्हणतो, ती नाही म्हणाली ना, इग्नोर. ओके, नेक्स्ट कार्ड.
So that means the 1 is not in the 1's place.
No. Second card also she said no. So what will I do? Nothing.
There is no 1 in the 10's. There's no 1 in the 2's place, not the 10's place.
Now-
1 is not there in the 2's place now.
Sir,
Which
wait,
means
wait.
the last 2 digits have to be 0, 0.
So this card she says yes. So what should I do? Nothing. नाही, आता तर nothing करून कसं
That
चालेल?
means
To do something.
excuse me, sir. I just realized something that now that means that there is a 1 in the 3's place or the 4th place.
Sir, we should hold a special conference to.
Yes,
Listen to
I
what we
just
hear.
got it, and it's so easy to do.
It's so easy, I know, but we took 2 hours to do it. So now I'll show it in 2 minutes.
Yes, and I just got it.
Okay, now okay, sir. Now let us try it also. Okay. So she said yes. So what will I do? Sir, what can you tell us? What will I do?
Yes, say yes. That means there has to be a 1 in the 4th place. So that means that the number ends in 100.
But this is so much. पटकन कसं करशील? I
I
tell you how to do it quickly.
So we have the first 2 digits are 0 because the no. Which means
No, they
the
are
next
not
digit
doing
is
a
a 1.
You are doing a lot of rough work. I just want the fair work.
So 001, and then so write. If she says no, then if she says yes, then write yes.
Okay, no. I'll tell you what I have to do. Devika, you said yes. Which is the smallest number in this card? 4. लक्षात ठेवा, 4. Okay, continue. Next card. So here you have to say yes. And remember that answer in your mind. 4 आले आतापर्यंत. Next card, is it there? No. So what should I do? Nothing. 4 लक्षात आहे आपल्या. 4 होता. ओके. ते तुमचं रिझन शोधून काढा. याच्यात आहे. सो व्हॉट शुड आय डू? अरे आहे ना 16, पण आधीचा 4 होता. आता काय करायचं?
16.
हा, 4 + 16. ओके, व्हॉट एव्हर फर्स्ट नंबर त्याच्यात आपला नवीन नंबर ऍड करायचा. 4 + 16 किती आलं? 20. सो नाव न्यू नंबर 20 लक्षात ठेवा. ओके, आणि यू हॅव टू टेल येस.
Yes, because I was thinking just add a 1 in that digit.
Is it there in this card? Yes. So what should I do now? 20 + 32.
Excuse me, sir. My thing is that if there is no, then put
Will you let
0.
others also speak?
If
Athar,
there is
will you-
no, then it is 0. If there is 1, if there is yes, then put 1 in the digit. Just go
Athar,
right to left. I got it
Athar-
now. It's so easy.
Yes.
So
Sir, will you let others also speak, or we only have to listen to you?
you don't have to. Yes, I'll let the others speak as well.
Thank you. So 20 + 32, 52. Okay. So we'll say yes. And a last card. Is it there in this card also? No. So what we should do? Nothing. Sample play card. What was the last number? 52. Is your answer 52? Yes. 52. कॉम्प्युटरला पण कळलं 52. कळली मॅजिक ट्रिक कळली? ओके, लेट्स डू दिस मॅजिक ट्रिक अगेन. सो तुला मॅजिशियन मध्ये का ऑडियन्स? मॅजिशियन मध्ये तुला आता ऑडियन्स होऊया. नेक्स्ट जाऊ दे, तिला करू दे रे. आपण काय मित्रच आहोत. जा. हा, होते ना, तेच तर म्हणतोय. Okay, so you are the audience. You need no, you are the magician. We need a volunteer. हा, ठीक आहे. याला ओके, सिद्धार्थ इज द ऑडियन्स. सो सांग, इज युअर नंबर इन? कर. आणि तिथे टाईप करत जा येस नो पण. म्हणजे फक्त वाय टाईप केलं तरी चालतो. वाय किंवा एन. ओके. Yes. आहे. Enter. तू मला कॅल्क्युलेट करतेस ना? आहे. ओके. नाही. आहे.
अजून एक गाणं
थांब. ओके ठीक आहे. उत्तर आलं. 39 करेक्ट. मॅजिक मग ऑडियन्स नाही, आता ऑडियन्सचं सगळे झाले ना. सो नाव युअर क्वेश्चन, नाव एव्हरीबडी अंडरस्टँड हाऊ टू डू दिस मॅजिक ट्रिक, बट नाव यू हॅव टू फाइंड आउट व्हाय दिस मॅजिक ट्रिक वर्क्स.
तर एक नंबर ट्राय
ऑडियन्स म्हणून. ओके, सिद्धार्थ वॉन्ट्स टू बी मॅजिशियन. नाही, आता हे लास्ट, आता दुसरी मॅजिक ट्रिक शिकूया आपण. I have one more magic trick to show you. Okay, so
येस.
you are the audience. Okay, so he says yes, it is there in the first. I'll keep typing. You keep track in your mind. Question mark.
येस.
Okay.
जाओ पुढे.
येस. येस.
आतापर्यंत सगळ्याला येस म्हणायला येतो.
येस. येस.
आयला कळलंय कुठला नंबर म्हणतोय. हा. Okay. Last card.
Yes.
Also yes. Yes. So yes, I think everybody understood the trick. Okay, so your homework is why does this magic trick work? And I'll give you the link to this program. तुम्ही हवा. नाही झालं, संपला. आता वेळ संपली. नाही म्हणजे या मॅजिक ट्रिकची वेळ संपली.
We have one more hour left still.
मॅथ्स आहे का? नाही मॅथ्स नाही आहे. अजून एक मॅजिक ट्रिक आहे. ओके.
We have one more like hour left.
We have one more magic trick to do today.
One more, so it's going to need another 1 hour. Complete. I like this magic tricks. Especially when we take 1 hour to do.
Okay, so let's do one more magic trick. And once more, I will do the magic trick. You have to find out how this trick works.
2 and 2.
Hmm.
त्याच्यामुळे it is basically binary.
But घरी जाऊन, can you draw the cards on your own without looking at my notes? Okay. Okay, so now this is the new magic trick. Okay.
Usually, sir, I was doing I'm trying to figure out what that and thing in the code, but I don't want to write all the. I'm also doing the same program, and I don't want to write all the like lists because for big values it's such a big. So I decided to. I'm trying to figure out what the and thing is in the code. I found what it is now. Another magic trick. One more magic trick.
Okay. So this is a magic trick which
Go
goes
back
like.
to the grid of squares.
Write some numbers. Okay. Anshuman, काय म्हणतो तो? आम्हाला पण सांग ना.
Some magic squares.
4x4 grid of squares. What are these numbers? They don't look
What are these numbers?
they don't look in any order to me.
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe there is order, maybe there is no order. I don't know. I'm just writing numbers right now. Okay, so I need तुला खूप खोकला आहे रे औषध आहे का काही Okay, so for this magic trick I need one more volunteer.
It's just, I don't know the trick. Okay.
Oh sorry नाही सॉरी बस बरोबर तिचं पॉईंट बघ तिला ह्या पण भरपूर वेळा खेळणार डोंट वरी ओके देविका
Sir,
यू आर
what is the trick, sir? Sir, what is the trick?
I'm telling na how can I tell the trick before I show the magic? Okay, so I'm going to do one thing. Somebody give me your notebook. Okay, I'm the mind reader. Okay, I can read everybody's mind. I'm going to read Devika's mind 2 minutes in advance. Okay. Okay. Done. Okay, so now what we'll do? Pick any number. And my pen put it. Pick any number. केला पिक सांग मला कुठला नंबर आहे सांग ना you pick 10 okay so what I'll do I'll erase everything to the number 10 you know I'll write it to one side and I'm going to erase everything in that column row and column I completely erase pick one more number now somebody else yes 11 दोन 11 कुठला 11 पाहिजे huh? Okay, so he picked 11 so what will I do now erase that row हा का मी हा पण ठीक आहे
Sir, there was another 11. There is another 11.
yes there is another 11
I went to
Okay.
erase that 11 also.
number
Excuse me, sir. I went to erase that 11 also.
3
Excuse me, sir. I went to erase the other 11.
wait Atharva pick okay आता काय 11 च राहिला so you have to pick 11 can you add these numbers
That is going to be 35.
what did I write in your notebook 35 hey I made a calculation mistake sorry परत okay मी चुकून 44 लिहिला I don't know why but आता मला परत अख्खा बोर्ड काढायला लागेल काढूया ना काय प्रॉब्लेम नाही I don't know by heart केलाय काय केलंय आणि हा
सर पेन्सिल
आणि आता मी काय करेन माहिती का
पेन्सिल
हा नाही clear all okay let me draw and now this time now I will copy it somewhere so I don't have to remember it every time okay so do you remember that board okay so now who wants to be the audience सगळ्यांना एक एक चान्स मिळेल ना कारण आपल्याला 4 नंबर हवे टोटल ओके मग फर्स्ट तुझे पण स्टार्ट करू ओके बट थांब लेट मी फर्स्ट राईट द आन्सर बिकॉज आय एम टू रीड युअर माइंड ना so let me write the answer in your notebook can I write it here कुठलाही नोटबुक मध्ये माइंड आन्सर तर माझ्या माइंड मध्ये आहे ना. सो आय एम गोइंग टू Okay, so now I've written the answer in Devika's notebook, and now let us do the magic trick. So now tell me. Oh, you can see, but don't tell anybody. Okay, Anshuman, tell me what is your number? 8. Which 8? There are 2 8s. हा वाला का खाली? Corner वाला 8. Okay, so he selected 8. Okay. हा नाही की मी अख्खा हे डुप्लिकेट करू शकतो ना पण पेजच. Let me duplicate the whole page so that we'll have one copy available. Okay, so we can return anytime. Okay, so 8, I will erase that row and column. म्हणजे हाँ yes, okay. Next volunteer कोण? समिका. Okay. 10. So I'll erase this row and this column. Next, Devika, 7. So I'll write 7. Then erase.
Now all that is left is a 13. So next number automatically becomes 13.
How much is the
That
sum?
will be 28.
Huh?
38.
Carry over it.
Yes, 38. I was wrong.
I
I
written
made a
30.
calculation.
Chala, this time I did it correctly.
Excuse me, sir. What is this magic trick?
Find it out. Hey, त्यात काय मजा ना. हा परत एकदा. सो आता तो बोर्ड मी लिहिलेला आहे. सो थँकफुली आय कॅन जस्ट डुप्लिकेट दॅट बोर्ड. आय डोंट हॅव टू. कुठलं? हा व्हाईट बोर्ड वर. ऍक्च्युली ना लेट मी ड्रॉ द बोर्ड एव्हरी टाइम. ओके, थोडा वेळ लागला तरी चालेल. आता I will increase my magic trick by one more level. I will invite you to write the numbers. Yeah. So see, these are the rules. One person come and write the first row. नाही एकच रो लिहायचा तुम्ही, सगळे रो नाही लिहायचे. हा ओके.
I'll do it, sir. I'll do it, sir. I'll do it.
देविका काय हे काय रिवॉर्ड नाही मिळणार आहे कोणाला? नाही एक काम करा, ही कॉलम लिही. राईट एनी एनी नंबर यू वॉन्ट. ओके, वॉट तिथे काय लिहायचं? रात बसतोय का? Okay, so now Siddharth come and you write the top row, only top row, any number you want.
Sir, हे column खाली करू शकतो.
हा
Column खाली करू शकतो.
नाही रो किंवा मधला तुला हवा तो रो, नॉट टॉप रो असं पण नाही, जो हवा तो रो लिही. See, I'm giving so much freedom. Audience is only preparing the magic square. हाँ?
11 चालेल.
चालेल ना, एनी नंबर तुला हवा तो नंबर लिही. एनी नंबर. 100. ओके, व्हेरी गुड. त्याने एकदम 100 लिहिला. घाबरला मॅजिशियन. Okay, so let me write the rest of the numbers. Okay. No, now I have to write the rest of the number. That's the magic trick work nahi honar. So that is a hint for you. Ki there is something special that I can give you freedom to write 7 numbers. किती number लिहिले total तुम्ही? 1 2 7 na, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So any 7 numbers you write and rest of the magic I can do. असं काय आहे मॅजिक ट्रिक मध्ये. So now carefully observe how am I writing the other numbers. You will get that hint की ही ट्रिक कशी वर्क होते. Okay.
10, 12, 14. Oh, oh,
कळलं का?
that's interesting. You're adding 2 to all the numbers. 105. Oh,
चुप बस ना, because
I might have got it.
okay. And now again to give me somebody's notebook. तेवढं काम करायला लावलं मला पण.
So just adding the difference of
Got it?
one.
Then can you write the magic number in your notebook?
Yes,
Write the
yes,
magic
yes.
number.
Yeah,
Somebody
adding
thinks he
the
has found it out.
difference of one row to the relatively to the other rows. So like 12, 9 becomes 12 in the same way that 7 becomes 10, in the same way that 11 becomes 14, and in the same way that 100 becomes 103.
Anyway, I'll write my number. त्याला तर ट्रिक कळली, पेन द्या ना मला. Okay, I have written my answer. हा कसं येऊ शकतं म्हणजे माझ्या हातात आहे ना. I can write any number I want. दिला का तुझा आन्सर? So Atharv, do you think you figured out the trick?
I figured out one half of it, which is the numbers. They're written relatively. Excuse me, sir, the numbers are written relatively.
What is this word relatively? I don't know what is relatively.
Relatively means like instead of writing 7, 9, 11, just write the first row, and then imagine this 9 is a +2, 11 is a +4, and 100 is a +97.
Okay, that is all very good, but can you do the magic trick?
The magic trick is
तो खूप छोटा आहे रे.
like
9 वर्षाचा आहे.
I don't know what the actual like number I've written in
Okay,
her book
okay,
is.
let's
I
do the
don't know
magic
what the
trick.
number. I don't know what the end
Volunteer.
result is supposed to be.
Devika, everybody will get one chance, okay? Okay, ठीक है, तुला हवे का chance? जाते.
I don't know
100.
how. I don't know what the number depends on. 100. So all the 100 row will go.
Somebody says that you are not giving them a chance to speak.
Okay.
Okay, so give them a chance to speak.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. They are saying thank you also now. Okay, so next, Devika, सांग एक number. 12. So I will erase this row. इथंच होता ना, मीच विसरलो कुठला रो होता. फायनल आन्सर लिहिलं का आपण? अच्छा, तू बनवला का? मी बघतो मग. ओके, नेक्स्ट हू वॉन्ट्स टू? शमिका. 10. ओके. And last number?
Has to be 8, and that gives us a grand total of 130.
138.
130. Check if I written 130. No, I wrote 134, but I come very close. I think I made some calculation mistakes. That you have to figure out.
But what 130 number? What was the original? Excuse me,
Okay,
sir.
can you do the magic trick? Okay,
Excuse me,
so
sir.
come.
What was the original table? Excuse me, sir. Can you write the original table again?
No, because magician doesn't show the trick 2 times. But
Okay. This one I'll be sure to take a screenshot.
but now Aditya has figured out the magic trick and he's going to show it to us.
I
Okay,
don't know
so
what 130 number that is meant to be. I'm going to take a screenshot just so I don't get
you can always
lost.
go back and watch the recording, right?
Yes, I'm going to take a screenshot here. I can see I can see a pattern.
पण नीट लक्ष द्या की हे नंबर्स काय आहेत. There is something special about these numbers.
I can
Sir.
see a pattern. I can see a pattern. Back to the original numbers.
Okay, and do you have the answer in your mind? So write the answer in your notebook and let's see if you can do the magic trick. अंशुमन तुला करायचे का magic trick? कळू दे. Okay. Then I will do the magic trick. I will pick numbers. And now this time let us not erase the board. Okay, we'll keep the board. ठीक आहे? Line मारूया. ठीक आहे? So सांग म्हणजे मी I will pick 17. Okay. So I pick 17. So कुठले number गेले? This row and this column. Yes, pick 2. Which 2 don't do it? Left 2 correct 2?
कोणता पण घेतलं तरी चालेल.
Left 2? Okay. So she picked 2. Next कोण? सिद्धार्थ. Pick 15. So the last number कुठला उरला? 20. What is the sum?
Is 19 plus 15 is 34. 34 plus 20 is 54.
55. हाँ ठीक है. So he wrote 55. Maybe in doing in his mind थोड़ा calculation mistake हो सकते, but I think he has understood the idea. And important, notice he made this magic square himself. मी नाही काढला. म्हणजे त्याला खरंच trick कळाली ना.
But
He could prepare the magic square on his own.
but
now
what is the 55 number?
What he
I
wrote?
get the numbers, but where is the 55? Where's the 54 number?
Okay. But okay, think about this at home. काहीतरी आहे याच्यामध्ये या magic trick. Okay. So now we have last 45 minutes left of the workshop. So let me do something. त्याच्यामध्ये आपल्या सगळ्या आधीचे वर्कशॉप कव्हर होणार आहेत. ओके. हो मॅथ्स. हो आपण मॅथ्सच्या वर्कशॉपला आलोय ना. मला हिस्ट्री आणि जिओग्राफी तर नाही शिकू शकत ना. मॅथ्स लिहिणार आहोत म्हणजे काय? असं करणार आहोत नाही का असं करणार आहोत? मॅथ्स मध्ये लिहिणार आहोत. ओके. नाही, आय एम गोइंग टू आस्क यू अ सिम्पल क्वेश्चन. हू वॉन्ट्स टू गो टू अ ट्रिप? हॉलिडे वेकेशनला जायचंय? जाणार आहेस तू? Okay, so we have many volunteers who want to go on a trip and there is a bus waiting below. Okay. खरंच बस नाही, खरंच नाही आहे. But suppose there is a bus waiting below. Okay, let us say we are 5 people. Okay, I have 5 students. So I'll say student 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 students are there and the bus will come and they will pick each of you from your home. Okay, अशी कशी pick up करत येते ना bus. So it will stop at everybody's home and it will ask you, do you want to get on the bus or you don't want to get on the bus? Sometimes, someday you may have other class, extra class.
Wait, excuse me, sir. I was
Yes.
just doing I was just adding all the numbers and I found the sum of the diagonals in this example.
We have already moved to the next topic. So if you
Yes,
have any,
but I already found that
to
the
me,
sum of the diagonals gives you the value of 54.
yes, Athar, but can you send it to me, whatever you have? Because we are doing something else now. Okay. Okay. So 5 students are there and we all आपल्याला सगळ्यांना ट्रिप वर जायचंय. ओके. तर बस ड्रायव्हरचा एकच रूल आहे. सेम ग्रुप शुड नॉट गो 2 times. म्हणजे every day that bus will come to pick you up. Every day it will take you to some new place. Okay. Suppose
Medicine does not choose take 2 times.
No, Arthur, I didn't understand. But what I am saying, suppose first day, day 1, student 2 and 3 joined the bus. Nobody else joined the bus. Okay. Day 2, somebody else can join. Maybe 1, 2, 4 can join the bus. But same group should not repeat. हा 2 and 3 म्हणजे 2 and 3 येऊ शकतात पण अजून कोणतरी पाहिजे. असं म्हणजे तीच लोक परत आली असं नाही व्हायला पाहिजे. कळलं? So, हा
एकटा टू आला
एकटा टू आला तरी चालेल. एखाद दिवस कोणीच येणार नाही. You know, some one day the bus will go empty because everybody is busy. हा बस ड्रायव्हर इथे पण बस ड्रायव्हर काउंट नाही करत पण असं होऊ शकतं ना. So one day there is nobody. बस इज एम्प्टी असंही होऊ शकतं. पता ट्रिपला जाईल. सो असे आपण करत गेलो तर असे किती दिवस लागतील सगळे पॉसिबिलिटी फिनिश व्हायला. यु नो, कधीतरी 1 एकटा जाईल, कधीतरी 2 एकटा जाईल.
Excuse me, sir. What is the magic trick? What is this final magic trick?
So the problem is like this. There is a bus which is going to pick up 5 students. Okay, students 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are all going to go on a trip, and the bus is going to pick them up. And every day the bus will come and it will ask the student, "Do you want to join or you don't want to join?" Okay, and every day some group will say yes, some group will say no. Okay, but the only rule is that same group should not get repeated. So if day 1, 2 and 3 are joining and everybody else is not joining, then same thing should not happen one more time. So how many days we can do this? अंदाज नका देऊ, विचार करा. येत नसेल तर म्हणा आता येत नाहीये. Then we'll start thinking.
41.
You have to find how many days until all the combinations run out.
Yes, correct.
So that is combinatorics, isn't it?
70. 70.
Okay, so there are.
So
it is,
23.
6 into 6. So 6 factorial days.
Sir, are you going to do this using Pascal's triangle?
25.
No.
Pythagoras triangle moved on from that.
Smaller example. 5 students खूप झाले. Let us say there are only 2 students. Okay. So एकदम simple problem है. Student 1 and student 2. Sir, how many days? 3, 4, 4 का?
3 days.
4.
4 days. Because day 1 what will happen?
Day 1, student 1 will go.
Okay, day 1 student 1 will go. Day 2,
Student 2 will go.
okay. Day 3,
Both will go.
both will go. And day 4,
No one will go.
Nobody.
so 4 days. Now you see 5th day la, there is nothing left. 5th day la, no matter who comes or who doesn't come, the combination already झालेला आहे. So for 2 students, the answer is 4. कळलं? Three साठी करूया. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
now let us say we have 3 students. Okay. Student 1, student 2, and student 3. So day 1 ला काय होईल?
Student 1 will come.
First day, student 1 will come. Second day, student 2 will come. Third day, student 3 will come.
Okay.
Fourth day, student 2 and 3 will come.
Four of
Okay.
students.
Wait.
We'll
First day, first. Excuse
Wait
me. So first day, student 1 will come.
Let me speak. Wait, sir, let me speak. So what I'm doing, let us do this systematically. Let us start with empty bus. आणि आपण एक स्टुडंट वाढवत जाऊया. Okay. So empty bus first day ला जाऊ शकते. कोणीच नाही गेलो.
First day, no one has come.
Now let us say there is 1 student. कोणी पण एक स्टुडंट गेला तर कोण? Student 1.
Day
So
2, student 1 will come.
Okay. Next day काय होईल?
Day 3, student 2 will come.
Day 4.
Day 4, student 3 will come.
So 1 स्टुडंट वाले किती पॉसिबिलिटीज आहेत? Day 2, 3. So ते 3 आहेत ना?
3 days. That's 3 days. One
Nice.
possibility for empty bus.
आता आपण काय करतो ते बघ ना. So now let us take 2 students at a time. So any 2 students can go. So first 5th day ला काय 1, 2 will go.
1 and 2 will go.
Second
Now
day
6th day, 2 and 3 will go.
One
Student
and
two
three.
and 1 and 3. 2 and 3 will go.
So how many possibilities are there here?
3 students.
आतापर्यंत नाही या ग्रुप मध्ये आणि आता कुठली पॉसिबिलिटी उरली?
सगळे
All of
So
them are going.
They will go. So that will happen on the
All
one day, no?
of them.
That will happen. All of them will go. So what is the answer? 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1, 8.
8.
Okay. So pattern distoy ka? For when, so I'll write number of students and answer. So number of students and the answer. त्याला खूप खोकला आहे त्याच्यामुळे त्याचं सगळं लक्ष खोकल्याकडेच आहे.
1 student, there will be 0 students, there will be 1 possibility.
Yes.
So
Zero
for
students is difficult to explain. Let's start with 1 student. Okay. Suppose there is 1 student, then 2 दिवस लागतील ना. First day the bus will be empty. Second day that एकटा बिचारा स्टुडंट जाईल सहलीला काय करणार? So 1 student, the answer is 2. 2 students,
the
आपण
answer is 5.
answer is 4 ना?
5.
4.
Oh, for 2 students, okay.
For 2 students, after 4 days there is nothing left. So 4.
4. Wait, this looks a little. For 3 is 8.
Okay.
Does this sequence look familiar to you? 2, 4,
Yes, it is
8.
looking familiar to me.
Yes, it's looking familiar. It's A79 in the OEIS. Is it a familiar sequence?
What is 4 चा काय येईल आन्सर? 4 चा 16 येईल असं वाटतंय का?
532.
डबल होतोय. Do you see that? बायनरी नंबर्स नाही नुसते डबल होतं एवढं बघा ना. इथून डबल झालं, इथे डबल झालं. नेक्स्ट काय होणार?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I got the formula.
You got the
Sir.
formula. Okay.
Sir, I think it's 2 raised to the number of students.
Yes.
Students. Okay.
P79 in the OEIS.
So for 4 students it is 2 raised to 4 म्हणजे काय 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 4 times. त्याचं आन्सर 16 येतं. पण असं का होतं?
Excuse me,
Sir,
sir.
sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, because for a binary number, there are only 2 possibilities, 0 and 1.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
And
I can see the way you have written there.
So,
Wait. Somebody else is talking. Yes, Arav.
sir, so there are only 2 possibilities.
Yes.
And it will be repeated. It will be repeated at the times the number of students are there. So
Okay.
Yes,
Can you
I
say-
can see. Excuse me, sir. The way I've written it there makes it like that's like a hint that it is related to binary numbers. And the answer was lurking in there the whole time. The way I've written these values here, like in binary numbers.
It may be related to binary numbers. What I am saying की एवढा डिफिकल्ट विचार करायची गरज नाहीये. सिंपल विचार करा. 17 का? 32 ना? 3 चं 8 आलं. त्याच्या डबल 16, त्याच्या डबल 32. ओके. But now let us see why this is happening. Okay, तुम्हाला एक ट्रेन मेथड शिकवणार आहे. Do you know this train method?
Train method or
Train
train method.
Okay. काय माहितीये का ट्रेन मेथड? इट इज लाईक दिस. लेट अस से बस मध्ये सीट्स असतात ना. फर्स्ट सीट, सेकंड सीट, थर्ड सीट. So let me draw the bus like that. Okay, my drawing is very bad, but let me draw that this is my bus. The चाकं. Okay. आणि आता 5 स्टुडंट आहेत. ड्रायव्हर तर आहे. इथे समोर ड्रायव्हर आहे. ओके. दिस इज द ड्रायव्हर. ओके. अँड फॉर द 5 स्टुडंट काय नाही. ते आता कसे हे काढतात ना म्हणजे मी ते असं काढायला गेलो तर ते आलं. So let me draw it in this way. Okay. So there are going to be 5 empty seats. Okay, for the 5 students. ठीक आहे. असे 5 empty seats आहेत. Okay. This is the seat for student 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
5 seats.
This is not train method. This is bus method. चालेल ना बस मेथड. काय फरक नाही पडत. ओके. बस काढले ना मी बस मेथड. आता फर्स्ट सीटला स्टुडंट 1 बसणार का नाही बसणार? कधी कधी बसेल, कधी कधी नाही बसेल ना. सो किती पॉसिबिलिटी आहेत? आयदर बसेल किंवा नाही बसेल. 2 possibilities. Some days he will sit, some day he will not sit. So the possibilities are 2. दुसऱ्या सीटला पण 2 possibilities. कधी कधी बसेल, कधी कधी नाही बसेल. सो इथे पण सगळ्याला 2 possibility म्हणून काय होईल?
2 to the power of 5.
सो ह्याला 2 possibilities आणि 2 आणि 2 आणि 2. एव्हरी प्लेस हॅज 2 कॉम्बिनेशन आणि ते सगळे कंबाईन होणार ना. सो म्हणून कंबाईन होऊन काय होणार? ते सगळे मल्टिप्लाय होणार. सो मल्टिप्लाय होऊन आन्सर काय आलं? 32. कळलं का? लेट अस सी दिस इन वन मोर पिक्चर. ओके, आपण कमी स्टुडंट घेऊ. आपण लेट टेक ओनली 3 स्टुडंट्स. ओके, आय वॉन्ट टू ड्रॉ दिस पिक्चर. ओके, सो फर्स्ट स्टुडंट 1, let us say these are all the scenarios where student 1 is in the bus. Okay, and this is all the scenario where student 1 is not in the bus. Okay, so वरच्या केस मध्ये स्टुडंट 1 बसलेला आहे, खालच्या केस मध्ये स्टुडंट 1 बसलेला नाहीये. आता त्याच्यात काय होईल? आता स्टुडंट 2 कडे येऊया. स्टुडंट 2 ऑल्सो हॅज 2 चॉईसेस, बसायचं का नाही बसायचं. सो ह्याचे परत 2 भाग होतील. एक भाग ज्या स्टुडंट 2 बसलेला आहे आणि एक भाग ज्या स्टुडंट 2 बसलेला नाहीये. खाली पण 2 तुकडे होतील. स्टुडंट 2 बसलेला आहे किंवा बसलेला नाहीये. 3 स्टुडंटचं घेतोय. आता तिसऱ्या स्टुडंटला पण काय होईल? 2 चॉईसेस ना, आयदर बसेल किंवा नाही बसेल. सो इकडे स्टुडंट 3 बसलेला आहे किंवा बसलेला नाहीये. बसलेला आहे.
It is a hierarchy here. It's not like a student 1, student 2 is not separate. It's like a nested if statement.
Yes, it's a very good observation, Arthur. It is a nested if statement. And nested if statement. We'll learn what that means in next week. Correct?
Yes,
But
sir.
Arthur already knows these things, which is very good. So you see what I've done. मी सगळे पॉसिबिलिटीज काढले. प्रत्येक स्टुडंटला 2 चॉईसेस दिले. सो आता सपोज असं झालं की स्टुडंट 1 बसला, स्टुडंट 2 नाही बसला, स्टुडंट 3 बसला. तर मी कुठला पॉसिबिलिटी बघतोय? स्टुडंट 1 बसला म्हणजे इकडे आलो. स्टुडंट 2 नाही बसला म्हणजे खाली जायचं ना, आणि स्टुडंट 3 बसला म्हणजे इकडे आलो. सो दिस पॉसिबिलिटी आय एम शोईंग. तर असे करून यू सी 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8.
Excuse me, sir. What is this curve you have drawn?
I have drawn the
Sure.
path. Suppose student 1 is there, student 3 is there, and student 2 is not there. Then which possibility will I go to? Starting from the starting point.
Go to the third possibility.
So it will go to this possibility. So like that, every combination will come exactly once. Correct? पण ते सीट काढली म्हणजे तेच आहे ना. म्हणजे आता ते बसच्या आधी ट्रेन म्हटलं पाहिजे, पण एकूण एकच झालं.
Excuse me, sir. Why are they like these nested if statements? Why not they just like for example, in HTML we have children elements and sibling elements. Why these are like children elements and not like sibling elements?
So, Athar, your question is very technical. I will answer that later, but it's actually a very good question. Okay. So
Yes, good
you have
question. Why?
siblings at the same level, and children are the one level below.
Yes, one like this only. Why they nested?
Yes, we'll talk about that later. Okay, but it's a good question. Okay. So मी जे म्हटलं ना, याचा संबंध आपल्या सगळ्या आधी लेक्चर्सशी आहे. हो, पहिल्या लेक्चर मध्ये काय केलं आठवा? डायग्राम्स काढले होते. डू यू रिमेंबर द portrait we had found?
A plus B whole square. Divided A plus B into A plus B.
What was A plus B into A plus B?
A square plus 2.
A square plus 2AB plus B square.
आणि आपण तो 3D ग्लासेस लावून काय केलं होतं?
A plus B.
Cube.
A
I
plus B.
still don't know what to see in the 3D glasses.
A
So
square
A-
plus B square B
this
plus
formula, A cube.
Cube plus B cube plus 3AB into bracket A plus B.
A3, not like 3A square B plus 3AB square plus B cube.
Okay. And now see, whenever I have a number, I can always write 1 before that because 1 times anything is the same number.
Yes, sir.
Whatever. So let me write 1 over here. Okay. 1.
1, 1, 1.
Okay. So now look at these numbers. What are the second row वाले numbers कुठले? 1, 3, 3, 1. दिसले का? 1,
11 to
3.
the power of 3.
Yes, but I want to show you something else.
Pascal, I written Pascal. Pascal's triangle.
1, 3, 3, 1. इकडे कुठे आले? अचानक. Random आले.
Pascal's triangle. What?
Suddenly, all of a sudden. So that A plus B square we are doing, A plus B cube, आणि ह्याचं काहीतरी कनेक्शन दिसतंय. काय कनेक्शन? अजून एक एक्झाम्पल करूया. Let us take four.
How is there a connection not only between powers of 2 but between powers of polynomials as well?
Yes, that is the question I'm asking.
Binomials.
Students, okay, 4 students. Student
Sir?
1, student 2, student 3, student 4. आणि असंच एक एक स्टुडंट वाढवत जाऊया. आधी बस रिकामी आहे.
So
So,
that
Rika-
means the right numbers you should get are 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. I just know the coefficients. I don't actually know the full equation. I just know the coefficients.
Okay. So day 1 will be the bus will be empty. So तिकडे 1 देऊया. Okay. So now how many possibilities ज्याच्यात एकच स्टुडंट बसलाय? 4 येतील. मी तिला
Four.
सगळं पण you understand for 4 थांब.
Yes.
4 पॉसिबिलिटी येणार. गट काय फर्स्ट डे पहिला बसला, नंतर दुसरा बसला, मग तिसरा, मग चौथा. असे करून 4 येणार. 2 स्टुडंट बसल्याचे किती पॉसिबिलिटी येणार? विचार करा. 4 स्टुडंट्स पैकी 2 बसलेत, 6 का? कारण 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4.
2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3. Sorry. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3. 6 आले?
Wait. 1, 4, 6. Looks like we can get to 1, 4, 6, 4, 1.
Yes, we'll come to that. But now we'll look at 3 students. So 3 students are going to sit. So how many possibilities are there?
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 1, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4.
Sir,
So
8
कुठली सीट
possible.
रिकामी ठेवायची? वेट अथर.
Excuse me, sir. There are
कुठली सीट रिकामी ठेवायची?
4 possibilities.
Either seat 1 is empty or seat 2 or 3 or 4.
Yes, so it's either
So 4
one.
possibilities,
So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2,
or we can
4,
draw them.
1, 3,
1,
4,
2,
or 2, 3, 4.
3, 4, 3, 4, 1 or 4, 1, 2.
Yes, it's
So 4 possibilities.
either 1, 4, 6, 4. That matches with the first
आणि
four
finally काय
digits of our
होईल?
next coefficient.
सपोज सगळे बस भरले, ते किती पॉसिबल आहे? एकच आहे. सो 1, 4, 6, 4, 1 असे नंबर आले आपल्याला. ओके, काय आहेत हे नंबर्स?
Okay, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Interesting numbers we have there.
Yes, interesting numbers.
Yes, we'll see why they are so interesting. I just opened the same website.
I'm going to show you a very powerful tool.
Yes, I just opened the same website.
काय म्हणतात त्याला? मार्वेल मध्ये कसं थॉरचं हॅमर आहे ना, तुमच्या कॅल्क्युलेटर जर का एक छोटासा सुरी किंवा चाकू आहे, तर दिस इज थॉर्स हॅमर.
Excuse me, sir.
कुठल्याही
Excuse
गोष्टीचे
me, sir. I
त्याला
got
पण
this.
करूया.
I already
Let's start
tried it on the
Something we
same
know.
website.
Okay. Let us start with something we know, like a plus b square. बघूया त्याला येतंय का a plus b
Expand a
square.
plus b whole square. Plus-
Okay, let us see. Can it find a plus b square?
Okay. Scroll down. Wait. Okay, it's doing the 3D plot.
See?
Yes, it can. There it is. A square plus 2ab plus b square.
तू शेवटच्या अर्ध्या
Excuse me, sir.
तासात
I've gone to the same website and I just discovered something.
So do you see this calculator already knows the answer, a square plus 2ab plus b square.
Yes, it's a powerful tool which can calculate anything, even like 5
Yes.
to the power of 7.
Something very important to know. This is a powerful tool, so you should not misuse it.
Even
हे
5 to the power
आपल्याला
of
कॅल्क्युलेशन
7.
जमत नाही असं नाही व्हायला पाहिजे. यूज दिस टूल वेन इट इज रिक्वायर्ड, अदरवाइज डोंट यूज इट. ओके, सो आता आपल्याला a प्लस बी रेस टू 4 विचारलं डायरेक्टली. बघूया त्याचा आन्सर येत आहे का.
E raised to 4.
सो दिस इज a
Okay.
प्लस बी into a plus b 4 times, करेक्ट.
Okay, down, down, down. There it is.
What is
A-
this? 1 4 6 4 1 दिसलं का.
The 1 is not there. Just 4, 6,
But we
4.
know we can put 1 there.
Yes. And
Yes.
1 4 6 4 1. That's
1 4 6
exactly
4
what we got with the other thing. That's exactly what we got in the other thing.
See, we got 1 4 6 4 1 here. करेक्ट. हे बघा सेम नंबर आले. हे काय मॅजिक आहे की तो a प्लस बी रेस टू 4 आणि इथे काय बसमध्ये स्टुडंट चालले, त्याचा काय संबंध एकमेकांशी.
So the bus students are not only
So some of you are understanding the idea, but let everybody try. Okay, आपल्याला उत्तर फोडायची घाई नाही करायची, बट घरी जाऊन विचार करा. ओके, की why this is happening. ओके, and now what I'll do, आपण जॉमेट्री केलं होतं ना काल, तर याच्याशी जॉमेट्रीशी पण संबंध आहे का.
yes, sir.
नाही, ठरवून टाकलं नाही आहे. दाखवतो ना मी. हे सगळ्याशी रिलेटेड, आपण 4 दिवस जे केलं त्या सगळ्याशी हे रिलेटेड आहे. आय शोड यू हाऊ इट इज रिलेटेड टू फर्स्ट डे. आय विल नाव शो यू हाऊ इट इज रिलेटेड टू जॉमेट्रीचा डे. ओके,
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
ट्रॅशरी कॅल्क्युलेटर बनवला. ओके,
Excuse me,
पायथन
sir.
बनवला का.
The bus problem is not only related to
Yes.
the powers of 2,
येस
it is also related to the binomial expansions.
येस, बट you are the only one who knows binomial expansion, so I cannot teach that today.
Binomial expansions is just a plus b to the something power. That's
आता आपण एक ट्रँगल काढूया. ओके, आपण ट्रँगल काढूया. काय, सो इकडे मी काय करणार का, नंबर ऑफ स्टुडंट्स आणि इकडे मी काय लिहित जाणार की 0 स्टुडंट्स असतील तर किती, 1 स्टुडंट असेल तर किती, असे मी ते लिहित जाणार. ओके, सो फॉर एक्झाम्पल सपोज देर आर 2 स्टुडंट्स, ओनली 2 स्टुडंट्स आर देर. सो पहिल्या दिवशी बस रिकामी जाणार. सो देर इज ओनली 1 वे टू डू दॅट. सो आय विल राईट 1. But suppose 1 student sits in the bus. 2 possibilities. पहिला स्टुडंट किंवा दुसरा स्टुडंट. आणि थर्ड केस मध्ये काय होईल, 1, बिकॉज both of them will sit. करेक्ट. सो दिस वॉज फॉर 2 स्टुडंट. आता सपोज 3 स्टुडंट आहेत. सो 3 स्टुडंट मध्ये सुरुवात कुठे होणार, परत रिकामे बस नाही होणार.
so first.
आता लेट्स से दी 1 स्टुडंट सिट्स इन द बस. सो पहिला, दुसरा किंवा तिसरा. सो 3 पॉसिबिलिटीज. आता 2 स्टुडंट बसणार म्हणजे 1 सीट रिकामी राहणार. 3 ना, पण 3 एक रिकामी ना. आयदर पहिला नाही बसणार, दुसरा नाही किंवा तिसरा नाही. आणि लास्ट केस मध्ये सगळे बसणार. ओके, आता 4 स्टुडंट्स. वी ऑलरेडी नो द पॅटर्न. 1 4 6 4 1. 1 4 6 4 1.
Now 5 students will be
And
5. Okay, 1 1 1 1 1 1.
चाललाय असा तो वाढत जाणार ना. एव्हरी टाइम 1 1 रो वी ऍड, इट इज गोइंग टू कीप इन्क्रीजिंग.
1 1 1 1
know what?
1 1.
Author, do you know the name of this triangle?
This triangle 1
Huh?
1 1.
Anybody knows the name of this triangle?
Excuse me, sir. What triangle is it? I don't know what triangle this is.
Sir,
Yes.
it's Pascal triangle.
Excuse me,
Somebody
sir.
saying something?
It's Pascal's triangle.
Pascal's triangle, correct. Pascal
Yes,
नहीं, Pascal.
I was about to say Pascal's triangles.
Yeah.
And then I was like, what triangle? It's a triangle. I just was
Actually,
thinking
in
about
my,
Pascal's triangle.
actually, I've been studying this
And
also.
then he said it's a triangle. I was
call
thinking
this
it's not
Pascal
Pascal's
triangle because I don't know. Pascal maybe first discovered this property.
Yes, sir. So
No, India
actually,
discovered it. Some Indian
actually,
mathematicians discovered it long ago.
sir, actually,
Then
I've been
it's
doing
India, I think.
I have a school project on this, so I've been doing a lot of research on this also. So there's something
Okay.
called the hockey stick method, where if you like you draw two lines, a long one and a short one, through the numbers in
Uh,
the right way, you can see that
uh,
they add up and form an actual number, and the different numbers. So, like, let's say if I actually do it properly, like if you
okay.
add 2 plus, like you do 2 plus 3, and then one more thing, 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to like
Let me write one more row below. Okay, if you want, let me write one or two more rows. Then let's see what you are saying.
1, 5, 10, 10, 5. And there's also patterns here. Like in the middle, there'll
1,
be
6, 15,
one middle
20.
number and then two numbers on the outside, and sometimes there'll be two middle
You may be
numbers.
wondering की मला हे नंबर पाठ कसे काय पुढचे नंबर मला पाठ आहेत की काय मी आता असे दोन
Sir,
रो
look,
फटाफट लिहून
look,
टाकले
I'll show you. Sir, I'll show
पाठ
you.
आहेत की काय माझे
Annotating, sir. I'm
Huh?
annotating. I'm
pattern
annotating.
there is a pattern but now the question is there a pattern or is there logic
Is
just
there
a
a
pattern
Sir, I'll show you. I'll just clear
Huh?
this out here. 1, 3, 6, 10.
होतं.
Sir, 1 plus 3 plus 6 plus 10 is equal to 20.
Correct this hockey stick pattern is there correct
Yes, sir. And also, you can actually find the Fibonacci sequence though. I don't remember how.
like this.
Where is the Fibonacci sequence?
I don't remember how, but actually someone
One.
did.
Where is the
No, wait.
Fibonacci?
There is
2,
no-
Sir, I calculated
5.
Fibonacci sequence till 2 quintillion.
एक मिनिट एका वेळी एक बोला
Where
रे
is the Fibonacci sequence?
nobody said Fibonacci sequence
I can't even find the Fibonacci sequence.
no this is normal Pascal's triangle and अजून एक पॅटर्न दाखवू का तुम्हाला कुठले दोन नंबर घ्या बाजूबाजूचे take any two numbers which are next to each other like 10 and 5 10 plus 5 किती आहे वरचे दोन नंबर ऍड केले की खालचे दोन येतात
Yes,
plus
that is the thing with Pascal's triangle. That's the whole point.
Text of the triangle one.
हा म्हणजे इथे 1 1 आणि
Fibonacci sequence 2.
but now can you write the next row if you understood this pattern can you write the next row काय करायचं start with 1 1 plus 6 7 6 plus 15 21 15 plus 20 35 20 plus 15 35
21, 7, 1. Next term,
Okay,
1,
you can-
8,
now let us
28.
check is this really correct or not we are thinking it should be 1 7 21 35 but let us check if it this is the really those coefficients जे आपण आधी बघितले होते let us ask our friend once more okay
Let us ask the Wolfram alpha for a plus b power.
a plus b raised to 7 केवढा मोठा आहे ना आपल्याला कॅल्क्युलेट करायला केवढा वेळ लागेल तर त्याने दिलं 1 7 21 35 35 21 7 1 लक्षात आहे सगळ्यांना 1 7 21 35 35 21 7
Same value.
इकडे कसे काय आले सो दिस बस पीपल स्टुडंट सिटिंग इन द बस अँड a plus b raised to 7 मध्ये काहीतरी कनेक्शन आहे आणि जॉमेट्री मध्ये काहीतरी कनेक्शन आहे आणि अजून एक थर्ड डेला काय केलं होतं आपण आठवतंय का
It is a connection with geometry.
नंबर्स
Excuse
केलं
me,
होतं
sir. Excuse me,
Wheel
sir.
of
How does
numbers
it have a
केलं होतं.
connection with geometry?
Wait, I want to show the connection with the third day. Wheel of numbers. Do you remember wheel of numbers?
Yes, sir.
The wheel of 12.
So notice one thing.
This.
See, this row, बाजूचे दोन नंबर जाऊ द्या. पहिला 1 आणि शेवटचा 1 इग्नोर करा. But do you see all the numbers in between are divisible by 7?
Yes, sir.
इकडचे सगळे numbers are divisible by 5.
Yes, sir.
इकडचे number divisible by 3.
Yes, sir. That's.
Yes,
Excuse me,
sir.
sir. How is it related to geometry?
It is because in this Pascal's triangle, right? What you can do is highlight all the odd numbers and highlight all the even numbers with two different colors and see you'll get a very beautiful pattern.
Wait, is it the Sierpinski triangle you're talking about?
Yes, correct. Sierpinski.
Yes, Sierpinski triangle and
Sure, my dear.
Pascal's triangle.
कुठला वेळ आहे? हा? कुठल्या शाळेत? अथर्व कुठल्या स्टँडर्ड तो विच स्टँडर्ड आर यू अथर्व?
Fourth standard.
फोर्थ स्टँडर्ड मध्ये त्याला सगळं कसं यायचंय?
I just learned it from somewhere.
But we are so much to learn from him. Don't you think so? की फोर्थ स्टँडर्ड मध्ये तो एवढं सगळं करतोय. कमाल आहे की नाही? Which board are you in, Atharv?
What board? I mean, Vidyavikas Academy, which is a CBSE school.
CBSE.
Yes, CBSE.
We got
board.
CBSE model. You
What?
are also in CBSE. He is also in CBSE. त्याला काय?
Everyone else is also in CBSE.
कुठल्या तरी खूप एकदम मार्सवरच्या स्कूलवर असेल ना जिथे असं शिकवतात अर्थवर तर शिकवतच नाही. सो यू रिअलाइज इट इज नॉट अबाउट तुम्ही स्कूलवर कुठल्या जाता कोण टीचर आहे. फायनली यू हॅव टू लर्न. इफ यू वॉन्ट टू लर्न यू कॅन लर्न इट ॲट एनी स्टँडर्ड एनी एज. सो इवन नाव यू हॅव टाइम. आता तुम्ही शिकायला सुरुवात केली तर यू कॅन बी वेअर अथर्व इज नाव इन 2 years. अथर्वपेक्षा पण पुढे जाल तुम्ही.
What? Yes, sir.
I'm telling them, Athar, that just as you know so many things, everybody can learn, right?
Yes.
Everybody
sir.
can learn new things. So that is your homework. It's a very big homework.
What is the very big homework?
Very big homework is learn all of these things, whatever you are saying. Okay?
Learn what?
Last 15 minutes left. So,
Excuse me, sir. What should I learn?
no.
I
Athar,
already know the Sierpinski
those are a lot of things to
triangle.
learn, but I will talk about that later, okay? First,
Yes.
what I want to do is, because we are going to start programming next week, so त्याच्या आधी just तुम्हाला दाखवायचं आहे की
How
how
to
you are
install?
set up your computer. Okay,
Excuse me,
need
sir, I
बघा.
already have
So,
Python on.
for programming next week, you have to come prepared with your laptop, okay? Lecture चालू झाल्यानंतर सेटअप नाही करायचं, आधीच रेडी पाहिजे. Okay? So, for that, I'll show you what you're supposed to do. हा ठीक आहे. ते नंतर आधी मी काय प्रोसिजर ते दाखवतो आणि मग ऍक्च्युली वायफाय पासवर्ड मला पण माहित नाही.
सर तुम्ही शेअर होल स्क्रीन करून करू शकता. हर टाइम चेंज करायची गरज नाही पडणार मग.
असं आहे का? ओके, थँक्यू. बट नाव कॅन यू सी माय स्क्रीन?
येस.
Yes, sir.
ओके, सो लेट मी ओपन दॅट. ते काय होतं reflit.com ना?
Replit. Excuse me, sir. Can you close the screen thing?
Oh, sorry.
Biology.
हा.
Replit.
नाही, but I'm already logged in. I want to show.
Replit is a powerhouse. You don't even need to download anything to use any of these languages. Just use Replit. The powerhouse.
Let me log out and log in into the other account. No, let me log in with my account. Sorry, I have to sign in with Google.
Prashant, today I got a Replit email. It was because of you?
Oh,
Okay.
नाही मी काय विचार करतोय. आय टू डू वन मोर स्टेप का? हा ठीक आहे. ओके. अरे तो it directly logs into my. I want to sign out. It's not allowing me to sign out. साइन आउटचं बटनच नाही दिसत आहे मला. म्हणजे पण मला वायफाय पासवर्ड नाही माहित ना. सो आय कॅनॉट हेल्प यू.
राईट साईडचं पिक्चर आहे ते बंद करून बघ त्याच्यावर
नाही,
sign out.
नाही,
See
log out.
above the plus button, there is a above the plus.
A picture on the left side of 3 dots.
आता नाही. अच्छा, माझा फोन नका.
You see that login button above that there is a picture, like a silhouette of a person. Okay, that's good. Just use your if you have a Google account, you can use your Google account. Log in successfully.
Okay, are you familiar with programming? When you do this for the first time, it will ask you. So honestly, Sangha, some of you may be not at all experienced, some may be very, very experienced. Let us say not at all, okay? Okay,
Excuse me, sir, I'm very, very experienced.
okay. So what will happen?
I already have a Replit account. Excuse me, sir, I already have a Replit account.
Wait, sir, I want to show for somebody who does not have a Replit account. So what should they do first? What should they do next?
Sign up.
So I want to show that. हे आपका recording है ना ग्रुप वरती व्हॉट्सअप युट्यूब वरती सो यू कॅन ऑलवेज हो पण मला पासवर्ड नाही माहित ना
V20
नाही हॉटस्पॉट नाही ते इकडचं वायफाय मी माझा हॉटस्पॉट चालू नाही केलं अजून
Click the blue create button or the blue plus button.
ऍप पण आहे.
आहे ना ऍप पण आहे
मला टॅबलेट किंवा फोनवर
करू शकता पण ते करायला त्रास होईल ना थोडा जमलं तर लॅपटॉप आण देतो काय करताय ओके Okay, so what will happen when you click the link, na email madli link.
Excuse
Python
me,
card.
sir, what email? I don't have the.
So when you click the invitation link, right, you will automatically see our creative workshop. Okay,
Excuse me, sir, where is the invitation link?
I have sent it to all the registered email addresses. I think you are not registered currently, so you have to go to the website and register first. Sign in with Google account and register, and then you will get the link. Okay. So here you will see, आता day 0 है. So day 0, day 1, day 2, every day you will get one new row like this. Okay, आता आपण day 0 उघडूया. So start project. So when I do start project, it will automatically load everything. Okay, हे next करा. नाही तुम्हाला इन्व्हिटेशन लिंक ऑलरेडी आली आहे. ऑलरेडी तुमच्या ईमेल ऍड्रेसवर गेली आहे लिंक.
आली आहे सर मला आली
ईमेल
प्रशांत मला आली होती पण मी डिलीट केली का आली कळत नाही
Close it.
ओके पण ते तुमच्या ट्रॅश मध्ये असेल ना मी व्हॉट्सअप ग्रुपवर टाकलं होतं की पाठवणारे लिंक कसं
असं आहे का मी तर ट्रॅश पण डिलीट केला
ओके मी परत पाठवतो मग
ओके
हे काय आलं मला
Close the code editor. Click the X button.
Okay, so now here you can start typing. So everybody to verify that your everything is working, you have to type one line. एक line फक्त नीट बघा. Okay.
Type. Oh, there it is. That code editor thing. There is the line. That you see that code editor thing. That's the line you need to.
So you should
Because
write
there
this.
it is. Print hello world. It's written right there. In the code edit, you see that code editor thing which has come. That has the print hello
करू दिलं तर
world.
तुला
in it.
सांगितलं ना मी. So actually this is a intelligent editor. It knows when you open a bracket, you have to close a bracket. So ते automatically close bracket काढतो आपल्यासाठी. आता inside print जे लिहाल ते प्रिंट होणार ना.
ते इकडे जा.
डबल कोटेशन मार्क. आता इथे जे लिहू ते प्रिंट होणार. सो व्हॉट शुड वी राईट? हॅलो फ्रॉम युअर नेम. हॅलो आता मी करणार हॅलो फ्रॉम प्रशांत. असं तुमचं प्रत्येकाचं नाव लिहायचं. हा okay, and now there is a run button at the top. You see this run button? So if I press this run button, it will run in this part. जसं आपला ते मॅजिक ट्रिक कशी रन होती आलं. So verify once you reach this step, your setup is complete. So make sure you do this before you come on Monday.
ते पण चालते.
ते सगळं ऑटोमॅटिकली चालू होतं. हे तू ते बंद केलं तर हे बंद झालं. ते त्याचंच बटन आहे ना. हा ठीक आहे. हो फ्री आहे. दिस इज आय डोंट नो पण ते त्याने ते हे कंट्रोल होतं. नाही झालं चालू परत. Okay, so anyway, this whole session is there on YouTube. So those who don't understand can go home and watch. But everybody has to reach this point. Hello from your name, and it should print on the right side. हे झालं म्हणजे your setup is complete. नाही झालं तर मला मेसेज टाका WhatsApp वर. I will help you. Okay, but everybody has to do this. तू WhatsApp ग्रुप जॉईन केला का? त्या दिवशी मी दिली होती तुम्हाला. बरं ठीक आहे, आपलं लेक्चर झालं परत सांगतो. ओके ओके, बट दॅट्स ऑल फॉर दिस मॅथ्स. येस वर क्लिअर गेस करतो. ओके, परत लिहिता येईल का आठवला होता? आठवत नाही. मग काय झालं? मग लॉकडाऊनच्या आधी होते सगळं विसरून गेला का? ABCD A to Z कधी लॉकडाऊनच्या आधी शिकला ना का विसरला? Okay, but anyway, that's all for today. So thank you for everybody who joined for the maths week, and hope to see.
Actually, a question: is there a class tomorrow also?
No, there is no class tomorrow. So this is program is from Monday to Friday, right? So Saturday
Okay.
Sunday छुट्टी. So enjoy the holiday. तुम्ही पण enjoy करा, मी पण enjoy करेन, and we'll meet back on Monday.
So I'm excited for Python.
Yes,
Yes, bye. Sir.
we'll meet on Monday for Python. Okay, thank you. Bye.
थँक्यू सर.
हा
Thank you, sir.
ऑनलाईन केलं तरी हे सगळं सेम करायचं. The magic of this is that I can see what you are writing. Even if you are sitting at home, I can see what you are writing. ते म्हणून तर हे वापरायला सांगितलंय. मॅजिक आहे. ते कसं काय समजायला तुम्हाला खूप वर्ष कॉम्प्युटर शिकला पाहिजे, प्रोग्रामिंग शिकलं पाहिजे, इंटरनेट शिकलं पाहिजे. कारण इंटरनेट माझा तर आय एम 32, सो आय एम लर्निंग दिस फॉर 20 years. 12 वर्षात असतं, 11-12. तुमच्या 6th स्टँडर्डला होतो तेव्हा हे मॅजिक कार्डची ट्रिक मी घेऊन प्रकाश सरांकडे गेलो होतो. आणि मला कशी सुचली? अरे काय नाही, मला स्वतः आलं. आपल्याकडे तो एक गेम होता अब्राकाडब्रा, त्याच्यामध्ये ते कार्ड होते आणि त्याच्यानंतर ते बायनरीचा पॅटर्न मी बघितला. असं काहीतरी ते झालं. नाही रे बाबा, एवढा ग्रेट